Now in this session, we will see creating an Instagram reel. We had done Facebook post, story and Instagram post. So we'll complete how to create an Instagram reel, and then we'll move on to creating logo, certificate, brochure, a photo collage and a business card in this particular session. So let's quickly begin and create an Instagram reel first. So I am in my pro account of Canva, and here we can create an Instagram reel. Okay, so once you select that, you will get here. Now it's reel basically is for certain seconds. So say let's create it for probably 1 minute. So you can add the audio, you can add the video there, and you can create your Instagram reel. Okay, so let's say for example, let's take this one. Now this is already for 11 seconds. If you want, you can just play it and you can see how it is basically getting animated and viewed. If you want to create it something from scratch, you're free to do that. What we'll do is let's delete it. Let's delete it completely. Let's go for the background, or rather let's add the elements, and we'll search here some videos. So this is for 6 seconds, but this will not fit in over here. So what we can do is, if you wish to, just extend this so that it fits your background. And then over here we can just add some different text here. Say new product. Let's give 25% off. Okay. Now over here you can again modify this, make it to some different color. Similarly, let's try and make this also of the same color. Now you can just check out how it is getting played. You want to add another one, you want to duplicate this. Let's duplicate it over here, and now let's change here, say finance courses, say 20% off. Okay, I will just change the font here. Okay, we can make it the one which looks, a bit. This is great. So I'm also going to change here. I'm going to make here itself the same font. So we can just launch it up like this. So this is one, this is another one. It is, yeah. Now I'm again duplicating this, and here I'm mentioning, say data science courses. Here we are giving it, say 15% off. Let's duplicate this. I am adding it for software development courses. It is always better if you expand it the complete, so that it is properly visible in the center. So this is also, let's keep it 15% off, and let's add another, say marketing and HR courses. Let's give a 10% off. So now if I just come here, I am playing this. This is the first one that is getting executed. Then I have the another one which gets executed. Similar to that, I have another video that's execute itself. So it basically is going in a continuous loop, and you can see it is for a total of 0.32 seconds that I have created this. So it depends, like you want to add a separate audio video to it, you can add that, customize it, and you can create it as per what is your requirement. Okay, so in this way you can create a great Instagram reel. So here I am naming this as new product reel, and that's how I have saved this. So you can just simply download this and you can add it or you can share it across your Instagram account, and that's how it's so simple to create an Instagram reel on your Canva account. Now similar to this, you can create a logo. So you can just search for create design, you can go for a logo here, and you will get a blank design wherein you can add. Now say for example I want to create a logo, I want to add certain shapes there, so I'm searching in the elements and let's add something like this, but I want it to be added over here, similarly over here. Then I want a circle, something like this. Similarly I want it over here, something like this. And let's say I'm searching for some alphabets and I want to add a stylish E, for example, let's say. So you will have to just search across the different elements which are there and then directly you can add it. Say this one. So let's say I'm keeping it like this. I want say E, I'm searching for D. So similar manner I can search another alphabet as such. Okay, so let us search for a similar pattern for D as well, so that we get a uniformity created. So I guess even this is fine. You can place it like this. Say U. Let's search for C. B. We'll also change the other ones. We'll take it all similarly. Let's search E as well. Yeah, let's take this one, and D also of a similar kind. This is not capital, we'll require it. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's take this and or if you have anyone who is a graphic designer or something, you can easily create it as per what is your requirement, the company's requirement, and then you can create or add those images over here. It would be also fine. Okay, but let us just search if we have any other format which we can add, or let's keep it the same. So let us see. Yeah, let's see in this. So we have this T. Make it short and we'll remove this. Place this T over here. Okay, even this E will be removed. So we have EDU, C, B, and we require A. So that's how we have created this. So if you wish to, you can just take it a bit closer to one another. See, something like this. that would be fine. So this particular manner we want the logo to be created, for example. So I'm saving this, say logo 1. Now let's say if I try to go for a download option, I go for a JPEG option, take the highest quality, and I go for downloading. So see, if I open this, the logo gets added. So it might totally be up to you how do you wish to create your logo. This was just an example that I have given you. It may not be like you've created in the similar manner. Okay, you can use some of various other animations as such and you can easily create it. But this was just one sort of thing that we had given, and in way basically you can create it. So you can just add it in a manner that all look in a symmetry line. So that is how one example of the logo that we have added. Now here we don't require anything like a GIF or something. So it is a normal logo that we have created. Now in similar manner, you can select any other objects. Suppose you want to combine this all together, you can combine this. Say you want a logo only till half of this, you don't want the complete logo like this, or you want to give some different background color, let's say a lighter color. This is not visible. Let's take something different. Let's try and change the color of this. And let's try and make this. Or you wish to add some different shape, that is also possible. So say something like this. I don't want it. I want a similar option over here. Say like this. So it's totally up to you, your graphics and your ways of creating it. Okay, but this was just one option that we have given you for creating a logo option. Okay. Now how greatly you can utilize that is all your thinking and the way you create animations. Okay, but this is one of the way in which you can create something attractive one. So we have saved this. That is one part of creating the logo. Now we'll move on to understand or create a particular certificate for some student after completion of the course. You want to give some course completion certificate. So we'll see how can we create that. Okay.